Hello guys, welcome to Mechanical Academy YouTube channel. So guys, in this channel you will get all the videos related mechanical engineering. So guys, from today onwards I'm going to start MCQs that are asked in various competitive exams, that is SSC or ISRO or DRDO. So from today onwards we will start the revision of the various MCQs so that we'll get well preparation for the competitive exams. So without getting late, let's start the first MCQ of today, top 30 MCQs that are asked in ISRO technical assistant post. The first question is: shear stress in a turbulent flow is given by the formula tau is equal to efficiency du by dy. So where efficiency is eta is, so here they're asking shear stress in the turbulent flow is given by the formula tau is equal to efficiency du by dy. So here they are asking what the efficiency symbol indicates. So option they given is eddy viscosity, apparent viscosity, visual viscosity, and all the above. So the answer is D, all the above. So going to the next question: magnitude of the eddy viscosity for laminar flow is option A less than 0, option B 0, option C greater than 0, option D unpredictable. So the answer is option B 0. So moving to the next question: kinematic eddy viscosity is the ratio of. So they are asking the kinematic eddy viscosity is the ratio of. So we can see the eddy viscosity, the symbol. So they're asking the ratio of the kinematic eddy viscosity. So the options they're given is eddy viscosity to dynamic viscosity, eddy viscosity to kinematic viscosity, kinematic viscosity to eddy viscosity to mass density. So the correct answer is eddy viscosity to the mass density. Okay, so next question: friction factor for laminar flow is given by. So here we are asking the friction factor for the laminar flow. We having types of flow, right? So they are asking the laminar flow friction factor. So the options they given is RE by 64, 64 by RE, RE by 16, and 16 by RE. The correct answer is 64 by RE. So guys, this is a question mainly asked in the ISRO, DRDO, and all the competitive exams. So it is very important questions. Please mark it down. So question number 5: what is the temporal mean velocity? So they're asking the question called what is the temporal mean velocity. So the option they given is the average of velocities at a point over a certain period of time. Option B, the average of velocities of a single particle over different locations in the fluid flow. Option C, none of the above. So the correct answer is the average of velocities at a point over a certain period of time. Okay, so question number 6: the friction factor in fluid flowing through pipe depends upon. So repeat the question: the friction factor in the fluid flowing through pipe depends upon. So option A, Reynolds number, option B, relative roughness of pipe surface, option C, both A and B, and option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Yes, the Reynolds number and also relative roughness of pipe and surface. So the friction factor in the fluid flowing through pipe. So in the pipe there is friction factor, right? If there is a fluid flowing through the pipe, there is always the friction factor. So they are saying it depends upon. So the friction factor in the fluid flowing through a pipe is depends upon. So always Reynolds number and also relative roughness of pipe surface. Okay. Moving to 7th question: what is the effect of change in Reynolds number on friction factor in turbulent flow? So guys, read the question very carefully. What is the effect of change in Reynolds number on friction factor in turbulent flow? As the Reynolds number increases, the friction factor increases in turbulent flow. So option A is saying that as the Reynolds number increases, the friction factor increases in turbulent flow. Option B, as the Reynolds number increases, the friction factor decreases in turbulent flow. If it is the Reynolds number increases, the friction factor will decrease in turbulent flow. Option C, change in Reynolds number does not affect the friction factor in turbulent flow. So option C is saying that it does not affect anything in the friction factor if the Reynolds number is increases, and option D is saying that it is unpredictable. So the correct answer is, as the Reynolds number increases, the friction factor decreases in turbulent flow. Okay, in a turbulent flow, always the friction factor will decrease if the Reynolds number is increases, because Reynolds number is the main factor, okay, for everything. Okay, and question number 8, what is the formula for determining the size of equivalent pipe for two pipes of length? So repeat in the question, what is the formula for determining the size of equivalent pipe for two pipes of lengths? Okay, so the options are L1, L2, they given the diameters, so L1, L2 and diameters D1, D2 respectively. So consider that there is the L1 and L2 lengths and diameter D1 and D2 respectively, where L is equal to L1 plus L2. Okay, so the total length is equal to L1 plus L2. So options they're giving is option A, L by D is equal to L1 by D1 plus L2 by D2. Option B, L by D square, that is equal to L1 by D1 square plus L2 by D2 square. And option C, L by D3, that is equal to L1 by D1 3 plus L2 by D2 cube. And option D, L1 by D power 5 is equal to L1 by D1 power 5 plus L2 by D2 power 5. So the correct option is L by D power 5 is equal to L1 by D1 power 5 plus L2 by D2 power 5. It is the correct answer for finding the pipe that is having same length of two pipes. Okay, and the question number 9 is, what is a symphon? So here they're asking the straight question called, what is a symphon? So you all know that what is symphon, right? So if you know that, please comment below. So a long bent pipe used to carry water from a reservoir at high level to another reservoir at the lower level when two reservoirs are separated by the hill. So you consider that is a hill, they having two reservoirs, one is having height high and one is having low height. So siphon tube is mainly used for the carrying the water from high reservoir to low reservoir when the hill is separated to the two. And option B, they are saying a long bent pipe used to carry water from a reservoir at lower level to the another level at a high, means here they are saying ulta, that is siphon bent pipe is used to carry water from lower level to higher level. And option number C is saying that a long bent pipe used to carry water from one reservoir to another reservoir when two reservoirs are at same elevation. Option number D is unpredictable. The correct answer is a long bent pipe used to carry water from reservoir at a high level to the another reservoir at a lower level when two reservoirs are separated by a hill. So obviously when the reservoir at a high level and there is another reservoir is low level and there is a hill separated by two, a siphon tube is used to carry the water from high level reservoir to lower level reservoir. So guys, this is very important question asked in ISRO, DRDO and various competitive exams. And question number 10, the highest point of siphon is called as. So in siphon there is a points, so every tube having separate points, right? So highest point and lowest point. So the highest point of siphon tube is called as siphon top, summit, reservoir and none of the above. So the correct answer is summit. So guys, in fluid mechanics is a very important question. What is the highest point of siphon is called as? That is called summit. Okay, and question number 11 comes to that, match the following physical quantities in a group 1 with their dimensions in group 2. So guys, in group 1 they given some of the physical quantities, so we should match the group 1 with group 2 having their dimensions. Okay, so here comes the option, that is option 1 saying that work done, option 2 power, option 3 momentum, option 4 modulus of velocity, option 5 dynamic viscosity. For work done energy they given ml square t minus 3, power mly minus 1 t minus 1, and momentum ml square t minus 2, and motor velocity ml t power minus 1, and dynamic viscosity ml minus 1 t minus 2. The options they given is 1C, 2A. So guys, here they given the physical dimensions and the dimensional formula. So by seeing the options, we can say that the correct answer is answer 1. That is so question number 12, which of the following equations is not a dimensionally homogeneous? Consider standard symbols of the quantities. Which of the following equations is not a dimensionally homogeneous? So first of all, you should know what is homogeneous and consider standard symbols for the quantities. So option A, force. Force is equal to mass into acceleration, and option B, head loss due to friction, that is hf is equal to flv minus v squared by 2g into d, and torque T is equal to F into distance. F is equal to force, D is equal to distance. Option D, none of the above. So answer is none of the above. So guys, the option is given that none of the above is for equation not a dimensionally homogeneous. Okay. Question number 13. Which of the following is a dimensionless equation? So they given the for some of the equations, so they are saying that among the which of the following is the dimensionless equation. So which is not having dimension is called dimensionless, no? So option A is Reynolds equation, option B is Euler's equation, option B is Weber's equation, option D is all the above. So guys, we can say that simply you can say that it's all the above. All the equations having, none of them having dimension, because the numerator and denominator having the same term, so it will be cancelled. Okay. And coming to question number 14, which of the following number is applicable in open hydraulic structure such as spillways where gravitational force is predominant? So option A, Reynolds number, and option B, Euler's number, and option C, Weber's number, and option D, Froude number. So guys, the correct answer is Froude's number. So question number 15, square root of the ratio of inertia force to elastic force is called. Repeating the question, square root of the ratio of inertia force to the elastic force is called as option A, Mach numbers, and option B, Cauchy's number, and option C, both A and B, and option D, none of the above. The correct option is option C, both A and B. That's Mach number and also the Cauchy's number. Okay. And moving to 16th question, boundary layer thickness is the distance from the boundary to the point where velocity of the fluid is. Repeating the question, boundary layer thickness is distance from the boundary to the point where velocity of the fluid is. Option A, equal to 10% of the stream velocity, option B, equal to 50% of the stream velocity, option C, equal to 90% of stream velocity, and option D, equal to 99% of the stream velocity. So guys, if you know the answer, please comment below. The correct answer is equal to 99% of the stream velocity. Okay. Question number 17, the component of the total force exerted by the fluid on the body in a direction parallel to the direction of motion is called as. Repeating the question, the component of the total force exerted by the fluid, the component of the total force, okay, exerted by the fluid on a body in a direction parallel to the direction of motion is called as. So repeating the options, lift, drag, both A and B, none of the above. So we can see that in fluid mechanics, the lift and drag will be the main points in every aerodynamic options. So the correct option will be drag. Okay. Question number 18, the sum of the components of shear forces in direction of flow in a fluid is called as. Repeating the question, the sum of the components of shear force in the direction of fluid is known as. So options are shear drag, frictional drag, skin drag, and all the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 19, the body whose surface does not coincide with streamline when places in a flow is called as. So repeating the question, the body whose surface does not coincide with the streamline when places in a flow is called as. So option A, streamline body, option B wave body, option C bluff body, and option D in-used body. The correct answer is bluff body. Okay, so the last question of the episode, that is, which type of the body is an airfoil? So repeating the question, which type of the body is an airfoil? So option A streamline body, option B wave body, option C bluff body, option D in-used body. So the correct answer is streamline body, that is option A. So guys, these are the top 20 questions that are variously asked in ISRO, DRDO and various competitive exams in mechanical papers. So by the continuing this episode, I am going to continue top 30 questions and top 20 questions and top 10 questions by taking the every competitive exam. So please stay tuned by for this channel so that you will get in the revision of every MCQs that are frequently asked in the various competitive exams. Thank you very much.